So look, this is just a quick video on the new JRL 2020C. I guess kind of a good and a bad to the JRL 2020C. Well, I have two of the clippers. Came in this morning, one of them did not want to turn off. No matter what I did, it would just keep running and keep running. But the good thing about it is it was very easy to get in contact with JRL. I contacted them on Instagram. They was very quick to answer me back. There was no problem with them, especially because I sent them a portion of this video. So there was no problem with getting in touch with them and them actually contacting me back and telling me the next step on getting this situation taken care of. So I can't be mad at them. And it's also a good thing because if you took your blade off of your walls or anything and you pressed on the motor like I'm pressing on here in this video, it would stop. It would just completely shut down. So this is another sign, also a sign of how strong their motor truly is when you're using it. It's bad because it wouldn't turn off, but we got the situation handled. It's good because, as you can see, that motor is strong. It's turned off and it's still hitting even when I'm putting pressure on it. So JRL, we ain't got no problem. We just got to situate this problem.